Hello everybody. Today I would like to share you a useful function in DOORS DXL, and the function is go through folder. Yeah, the name is very easy to understand. It means by apply this function is we have you to go through on the folders and subfolders of your project folder in DOORS. Okay, then the structure of this function is very simple. This is the name of the function, and we define the folder F here, and we define the item I. The item I will be on the items inside this folder. Okay, the very first step we need to check if our folder is available or not. Maybe somehow you need to check your folder but it's not available, then for sure we need to check if it's available or not. Then in case if it's not available, mean none F here, then we return, it means we do nothing. In case if our folder available, okay, then we need to check for all the item inside. Then we need a loop, okay, for all the item I in F. Then in the loop, actually we will check for the 4 cases. The first one, for the F, we don't have anything inside, no items inside. Then in case if none I, then we can continue or we can do something here. For example, if you check and okay, no item inside, then we can show some message like okay, nothing inside this folder, like that. The second one is if the item I is deleted. If we check the item I and we found some items which already deleted, then yeah, if we don't care about this, we can continue. Otherwise you can do something, or you can also bring the name of the deleted item, like that. Yeah, whatever you want, you can do something here. Okay, otherwise you can just continue. And in case if the type I here is equal to folder, it means the item I is now a folder. And actually you can also do something here, whatever you want you can do here. Otherwise, as I explained, if you want to go through the folder, then you should call the function itself again, go through folder, and the folder F now will be the folder I. Okay, and similar like that. And in case if it will run again and it detect inside the folder I where other folders, then it go through until the end. Okay, and the last one is if it detect the item I in a formal form, here is mean the module, the formal module in DOORS, then we can do something here. Okay, and that's it for our function. It's very simple, and you can find this script inside the description of this video. And yeah, I will show you how to apply this one. You just need to go through folders again, and for the type here, and the path, your folder here, your project folder is DOORS. You just copy here, then run, and it will go through on project folder and check and do something what you want. Okay, and that's it for my video today. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you found it useful for you and you like my video, please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.